go, Rusty.
Hope you see him jumping, touching his toes, bending over a little bit, you know. Gotta get warmed up for this.
You're narrating this?
Yes, I am. Behind the woman in the red and white jacket, touching her child. What it is. A mother's love for her child. So special. Alright, set. Boom, and we're off.
There you go, Rusty.
Coach Glass just pondering life. While Rusty is sustaining a very nice lead. Tries to lead back. Keep going. He's got one more lap to do here. Let's go, Rusty! Oh, he's so fast he couldn't throw the camera. And Coach Glass is gone, but there's Coach Nate. And Rusty is taking off to Dylan, and Dylan goes off.
Let's go, Dylan!
Black lightning coming at you.
There you go, Dylan!
It's like one of those Cheetos back home.
Colin.
Colin balls. Look at that. I'm gonna get dizzy turning so much. Fast anyways.
Dylan's day.
Yeah.
I found that out pretty recently.
Really? I figured that out last year. Oh, okay. Let's go, Rob!
Let's go, Robert!
Look at Robert Ironshaw going. The Native American spirit rests very well in him. Well, he's rocking the hipster glasses, you know, you gotta see where they're running. Oh shit, we got some fast people. Toes up, knees up, heels up. Punch it out. Last about 100 meters. And going off to Heem Dog, two-time national champion in triple jump. Heem goes off. Woo! Oh, look at he wants it. He's going to go to nationals in long jump, triple jump, and the 4x4. Well, hopefully, we pull the house balls. Let's go, Heem! Motherfuckers. Grab Heem righteous, #1. Motherfuckers! Woo! Turn down for what?